Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to use iPhone storage for Notes app instead of iCloud in iPhone. So whenever you create a note in your Notes app, the note will store in iCloud account by default. Now I will show you how you can easily create notes, and those notes will be stored in your iPhone storage. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down until you see notes, then tap on notes. And here you will find this on my iPhone account. Using an on my iPhone account allows you to store notes on this device. Your other notes won't be affected. So all you have to need, first of all, you have to enable this option and then tap on default account. And here select on my iPhone. And now on, whenever you create any new note, the note will be automatically stored in your iPhone storage. And as you can see, this is my iCloud folder and this is my on my iPhone folder. And here is the note I just created. Now on, all of your new created notes will be stored in on my iPhone section. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.